Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to set up picture password in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you would like to set picture password in your Windows 11. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to go in your Windows 11 start menu, just right click over on it and click here settings. After click over settings, in the left side you will find here something say accounts. In the right side you will find here something say sign in option. After click over there you will find here something say picture password. Simply click over there. In the right side you will find something say add picture. So you have to click here add picture and then it will ask you to enter your computer password. So I'm going to type here my computer password, and after that we're going to click here OK. And now in the right side you will see the preview how you can set up gesture to later on unlock your device. So anyway, we're going to click here choose picture, and then I'm going to choose this picture and I'm going to click here open. After open the picture, we'll see this is the picture and you can easily resize the picture. After done, resize it and then you can click here use this picture. Now it's saying to set up your gesture, draw 3 gesture on your picture. You can use any combination of circle, straight lines and tabs. Remove the size, position and direction of your gesture and the order in which you make them become a part of your picture password. Anyway, we're going to choose here 3 tabs. This is the 1 tab, this is the 1 tabs, and this is the tabs 3. Now it's going to confirm it, so you have to do the same things again. So I'm going to choose here this 1 dot, this is 1 dot, and this is the 3 dot. Now you can see I have successfully set up. Congratulations. So we're going to click here finish. So now you can see I have successfully set up picture password in my Windows 11. Now you can see I am in my Windows 11 lock screen, and I am now going to unlock my device with a picture. So previously you know that I had set 3 gesture to unlock my picture. So I had choose this one, my lips and my eyes. So whenever I choose these 3 things, it's going to be unlock, which is really quite interesting. Again, let me lock my device. Also, you can unlock your device by other sign option. You can unlock your device through password, or if you decide picture, you can choose picture. So I'm going to click here my 3 gesture and it's going to be unlocked. So within this simple way you can easily unlock your Windows 11 with picture. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.